Sir, we have to do D part
Yeah.
Sir,
of chapter 14, profit and loss, D part.
Yes. Beta, asking something?
sir, I am not able to understand the profit one. In the B section, there is find the cost price. Sir, I does not understand the profit one.
Just a minute, beta. Yeah. Which one? See?
Sir, in find the cost price, diesel, the profit one.
Uh, first part or third part? Which one?
The first part.
First part you want to ask. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First and third and fifth all are similar. Can I tell you the third one? All are
Yes,
same.
sir.
So third one I will tell on the board. Question B, third part. The selling price is given 975, 975, and profit is given how much? Rupees
225.
225. This is the profit. Okay, now you write the formula because profit is given, so you write the formula of profit. Profit is equals to SP minus CP. Write this formula. Now put the values. What is the value of profit? 225. What is the value of selling price? 975 minus CP. The value of CP is not given. This you have to find out. You don't put anything in place of CP. Okay, now you take CP to LHS because it is negative. CP is negative here. It is having a minus sign. So you take it to LHS. It becomes positive. No sign. That means positive. CP I have taken to LHS. And 225 you can take to RHS. Take this 225 to RHS. It is positive right now. When it goes to RHS, it will become negative. So 975
Okay,
minus
sir.
225. Okay. Because it is positive and it goes to RHS, it becomes negative. 975 minus 225 is 750 rupees. 750. Got it?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So similarly, you can do the rest of the parts. Let's start with question C. Actually, it is C. In the book, it is written D. उसको change करके C कर लो बेटा. There is a misprint in the book. Question number C.
Okay, sir. Nani?
Okay, next question.
Sir, I have done 3 word problem.
Very good, beta.
Sir, I also.
Sir, it is very easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, please get the page of the book on which the word problems are written.
You don't have the book.
Yes, sir.
Can anyone send the?
Sir, I can send.
Yeah, please send it.
Thank you, sir.
What do you all do in your free time? What are your hobbies and everything?
Sir, I do cycling.
You do cycling.
Sir, I also do cycling and play football.
Hey, tell me that you do cycling.
Me too, sir.
Who does cycling? First of all, who does cycling?
Sir,
Sir,
I
I do cycling, but
Sir,
on
I
Sunday
do.
only.
Oh my God. And
understand.
Simran, what do you do?
Sir,
I do sometimes cycling
Sir,
and sometimes playing with my friends.
Oh wow.
Sir, I always play with my friends, but on Sunday
also.
we all in a
Sir,
group
I
we play
also.
cycling.
Ah,
We do
ah.
cycling.
Sir, I with my
Sir,
friends
in
go.
evening I play with my friends and after the class I play. I riding on cycling.
Acha, about
Sir,
cycling, I'll tell you one thing. Yesterday only I bought a new cycle for myself. Ah,
Sir, but there is Corona.
Congratulations.
Sir,
I also bought the
that
cycle
in
for
your
to market yesterday.
yesterday only I bought a new cycle for myself. Do you want to see?
Sir, you have got
I also
Yes,
bought
sir.
a new cycle 1 month ago.
Ah, very good.
Sir, we
please
want
share.
to see.
Yes,
Sir,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir, please. Sir, please show.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, can we see your cycle?
Yes, wait. Let me show. Yeah.
Sir, please show.
Yes, yes, beta. See this on my screen. I have shared my screen. This is my new cycle. Yesterday I only I bought it. See?
Sir, it is a
So it's
gear
very
one.
good.
Sir,
Huh?
it's good.
Sir, it is gear one.
No, it is not gear.
Sir, this one is gear one.
No, it's
Because
not.
sir, I am having
No.
gear. Because sir, I am having gear one cycle.
It is not having gears. It has disc brakes. With the front
Sir,
tire
my cycle is having dual power circles.
disc brakes and it has power shockers. Yes, it is not having gears. Yesterday only I bought it. I was asking you that what are your hobbies and what do you do in free time, and you told me that we do cycling. What a coincidence! I also like cycling. I have just developed this hobby of cycling. Yesterday only I developed it, and
Then
I.
me and my friends take a round of full IVRI and sometimes go outside with cycle and buy new things.
अरे वाह,
And
and
sometimes we play in the ground football.
अरे वाह. I also
And
like
sir, yesterday
playing
me
and
and my friends
exercises.
all put the money in a box and take a new football, an Adidas football.
Whatever.
Sir, daily we play. Sir, daily we play in our apartment. But when there is Sunday, we go out and we do cycling
Very good. So doing
in a
any type
group.
of physical activity is very good. It develops very good qualities in you. It develops your personality as well as it is also helpful in building good health. So a lot of benefits are there. Mental and physical health both kind of improvement you can see with physical activities. So I also like doing exercises, playing, cycling, dancing in my home only, inside my room
And
only.
sir, swimming. Sir, swimming.
Swimming also I like. Yes, I like swimming also. But swimming,
Sir,
I don't get that
in
opportunity.
also like.
summer we all play.
You all do swimming in summers.
Yes, sir. Because sir, in our apartment only there are swimming pools. So that's where in every Sunday or Monday we go for swimming in a group.
So one very important thing that I am noticing here is that you all have a very good habit of doing physical activities, and one more thing, not just sitting with the phone and spending time with your phone inside a room. That is not good. The good thing is
Yes, sir.
doing physical
Sir,
activity,
the whole day we do class and use phone and
spend time with
laptop and computer.
Sir,
Sir,
in my home,
it doesn't
sir, in
feel
my
like.
home, my TV is damaged. I does not know what happened is, and my brother sister playing with me. I see the TV is damaged, and we will not see TV from 1 week.
so spending time with family, friends, cousins, and with your maybe neighbors also. That is a good
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Always be very careful for because of Corona. Keep
And sir, we should wear a helmet while cycling.
wear your mask. Keep social distancing. Use sanitizer.
Sir, please check the chat box.
Chat box.
Sir, I always keep sanitizer with me.
How much profit I get? I lost a lot of money when I bought my cycle. Abhiyan Duhan is asking, what was your profit when you bought the cycle? The profit was of the shopkeeper. At least he must have bought it for at least at most he must have bought it for 5,000 and he sold it to me at 8,000 rupees. So he got a profit of 3,000 rupees.
Sir,
Sir, he get a direct profit.
8,000. I also, sir.
Yes. Okay, so let's continue with the chapter. So very good things I came to know about you all. That you all are very active in your physical activities. Good. So yeah, question number C, first part. Meera bought a painting for rupees 1,250. This is her cost price. Bought matlab khareedna, matlab cost price. Okay. I bought a cycle for rupees 8,000. The shopkeeper
Sir, Ashwa did not send me the page.
The shopkeeper bought the cycle for rupees 5,000 and he sold it to me for rupees 8,000. 3,000 profit, clear cut profit of 3,000.
Sir, profit.
Meera bought a painting for rupees 1,250. 1,250. And then she sold it, very clever. Meera is very, very clever. She sold it for rupees 1,700. Maja aa gaya Meera. So that means, first of all, you have to find whether it is a profit or a loss.
Profit.
Yeah.
Sir, profit.
As SP is greater than CP, am I right? SP selling price is greater than cost price. So what happened? Meera made a profit. मीरा को क्या हुआ? प्रॉफिट हो गया. लॉस हुआ या प्रॉफिट हुआ? ऑब्वियसली प्रॉफिट.
Sir, profit.
How much profit? Profit equals to selling price minus cost price. Write the formula first and then find out the value. 1700 minus 1250. So how much profit? Rupees
100, 550.
450. Rupees 400.
Yes, sir. 450.
Clear? Try the second one also, everyone. Similar to this one. Try it on your own.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, have you, Ashfa beta, have you sent the question paper? Matlab, sorry, the page on which we are doing
Yes,
the.
sir, I have sent.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I was writing and sir, my pen leaked.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, that was the sister.
No, sir, mother.
Sorry.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, in the third step, you return as SP and CP. It was for the profit. So what will be for the loss?
For loss, you will write as CP is less than SP. Sorry, CP is greater than SP. Loss वाले केस में क्या होगा? CP is greater than SP. So Anil made a loss. Anil had a loss. Anil had a loss. Okay.
The answer of second one is 21,050. Sir, Anil make a loss.
Yes, correct
Yes,
answer.
sir.
21,050 is the right answer.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good.
Sir, mine too.
Good.
Sir, my answer is 25,050.
Correct answer. Can you all try the third one also? Third one is similar
Yes,
to the.
sir.
Sir, I am doing the third one.
Sir, second one answer is 21,050.
Very good. Okay, I'm doing the third one now on the board.
Sir, my third one answer is coming rupees 445.
Okay, let me see. I will do it on the board. I think it is correct.
Sir, my answer is also coming 445.
Okay, maybe it's correct. A shopkeeper sold a book for rupees 360 and made a profit of 85. Nahin beta, the answer is not 445. I'm doing it on the board. Sold it for 360. That means selling price is given rupees 360. Selling price is given. Okay, he sold it for rupees 360 and made a profit of, what is the profit given? Profit is of
85.
85. So you have to find the cost price in this case. What is his cost price? So for
Sir,
finding,
answer is 275.
yes, this is the correct answer. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. This is the formula. And profit is given in this case, 85 is the profit. Selling price is 360. And cost price is not given. So don't put any value in place of cost price. Now you solve this equation. This is your equation. Cost price, you take to LHS. Take the cost price to LHS. This is negative. So when you take it to LHS, it becomes positive. And 85 is positive. When you take it to RHS, it becomes positive. Sorry, negative. 360 minus 85. Okay. So 85 has become negative because you have taken it to RHS. So CP is equals to 360 minus 85. The answer is rupees 275. 275. How many of you got this answer?
Sir, this will be this equal.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes.
Sir, if the question is like that there is a painting, it costs 200. So at the repairing of the painting, the man cost rupees 100. So it is 300. So and it sold it for 300. So sir, it is not profit nor loss.
But sorry, I was not able to understand. Can you tell me again?
Sir, I am saying that a man bought a painting, okay, and he by mistake it fall down, and for his canvas he repaired it and spent 100 rupees.
Oh, okay.
So sir, the repair costs 200 and he bought a painting for 200, so it is 300, and when he sold it sold it for 300, so it is no profit nor loss.
Yes, no profit, no loss. In that case, there will be no profit, no loss. Because he bought it for 200 and then he had to spend rupees 100 for the repairing. So that was extra money spent by him. So the total cost price ultimately he had to spend 300 rupees. And then when he sold it, he got 300 rupees back. So there was no profit, no loss. Question 4, try it. Okay, I'm doing it. Mr. Garg bought a radio for rupees 740 and sold it at loss of rupees 95. Bought it for rupees 740. That means cost price is given. Question 4, cost price is given rupees 740 because he bought it for rupees 740 and then he sold it for a loss of rupees 95. Loss दिया हुआ है आपको, loss is rupees 95. Loss is given. How much did he sell it for? Selling price you have to find out. So whatever it is, whether cost price is given, selling price is given, or you have to find the selling price or cost price, whatever it is, you just need one formula to do all the questions. There are two formulae, one formula of loss and one formula of profit. To use these two formula in all the questions, you can do any question. So the formula of loss, we will write the same old formula of loss. What is the formula of loss?
CP minus SP.
Yes, CP minus SP is the formula of loss. Loss equals to CP minus SP. Now with this equation, I can solve and find the value of selling price. Now put the value of loss. What is loss here? 95 rupees.
95.
Cost price 740
Sir.
minus SP. SP is not given. So you find SP from there, from this. Selling price is negative in this case. You take it to LHS, it becomes positive. And 95 is positive. When you take it to RHS, it becomes negative. 740 minus 95. So SP is equal to 645 rupees. 645 is the answer. Got it? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, got it.
Very good.
Sir, sir, shall we do fifth one?
Which one, beta?
Sir, shall we do fifth one? So fifth one question.
Try the fifth one.
Okay, sir.
Sir, the fifth question is like the fifth question is of cycle.
It is of a cycle. He bought a cycle. Oh, so cheap. Bought a cycle for rupees 695.
Yes, sir, I am also saying that it is based on you.
I think they know that I bought a cycle yesterday. Everyone knows I bought a cycle today. Everyone is talking about cycle today.
But sir, no cycle comes of 695.
This is false. It is a false question. They are making a fool out of everyone. If you bought a cycle for rupees 695, it should be at least 6,950. A zero is missing. 600 and sold it for a profit of rupees 125. What was your selling price? It can be.
So we can do it on our own.
Sir, 820 rupees.
On our own.
Yes. Yes, better try it on your own.
Sir, the fifth answer is rupees 820.
Correct.
Sir, I doesn't understand.
Okay, no
Sir, the
problem.
formula.
Question 5. I am doing it. How much time is left?
So only 2 minutes.
Oh, I can do 3 questions in 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes.
I'm not bored. In my copy, I can do 7 questions in 2 minutes. Question 5. If you bought a cycle for rupees 695, cost price is given rupees 695. Profit is given rupees 120.
100.
You have to find the selling price. So use the formula of profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP. This is the formula. Put the values. 125 is equal to SP minus 695. So take this 695 to LHS. 125 plus 695 और कुछ नहीं करना है आपको, is equal to SP. बस 695 को LHS में ले लो. 125 plus 695, the sum is rupees 820 equals to selling price. This is the answer. Clear?
Sir, done.
So please wait for a second.
Yes. Note it down quickly and take a screenshot because the meeting is about to end. Take a screenshot.